Are you looking for a product with a matte finish and a medium hold that won't weigh down your hair? Stick around and I'll show you how I style my hair using sculpting clay. Step 1, wash your hair. I like to use volumizing shampoo and conditioner to just get a little more volume in my hair. Step 2 is to dry your hair. While my hair is wet, I like to add in a little sculpting clay as a pre-styler to create a little more volume and add in a little more control while I'm drying my hair. Step 3 is to apply sculpting clay to your hair. It's got a smooth, creamy consistency, so you can easily rub it into your hands. Apply the product to the areas you need the most control, and then finish by rubbing the rest of the product through your hair evenly. When you're done, you'll have a medium hold with a matte finish look.